Take the mask, you put it under the nose and over the mouth, and you press the trigger. Inhale it for a couple of seconds. We're going to do it at the same time. You ready? One, two, three. So what we're asking for is a $1 million capital investment for a 5% equity stake in Boost Oxygen.
Wait, repeat
$1 million.
I'm out.
What are your sales?
This year will be 6.4 million.
Oh. So let me get this straight. This guy made $6.4 million last year selling air. Yet you spend every single day procrastinating about starting your business. Because maybe it's not a good enough offer. Maybe people won't like it. Maybe it's a waste of time. Dude, my man is selling air. What is your problem?
Okay, well, I feel the same way. The thing I think that always held me back from starting something was not knowing what to actually start, in the sense that it wasn't I couldn't figure out what to sell, which that sometimes is the trouble, but it was more about not knowing this stuff over here. Let me get this out of the way. It was not knowing how to do this, right? Let me put a little focus on that. That right there, when you know how to create a funnel, market it, and then you know how to put together an offer, that changes literally everything. Because then all you have to worry about is just focusing on creating something that actually works, that's actually good, right? And you just need to serve your customer. So once you have the machine, once you know how to attract people, once you know how to convert them, and then once you know how to actually take what it is that you know and create an offer that solves a problem, which it could be physical, it could be digital. But when you know how to do those things, it changes everything. Because even if you had a good idea, well, how do I tell people about it? How do I get traffic? How do I sell it? What would I do? That's why I created this product called Build Lab, right? This thing right here. Get that focused. I give you two weekly Zoom sessions, a private support community. I do a daily gravity. I give you the tools, templates, pre-made funnels. We cover the business model, finding your niche and offer, product creation, lead generation, VSL video, funnel and automation, fractal marketing, going live, email, content marketing, ads, AI, outsourcing. And I literally support you and show you how to do this stuff. So you can do exactly what I'm doing here too. And all you have to do is just understand, how do you attract people, how do you convert those people, and then how do you deliver on the promise that you made to do the attraction and then conversion. And we've got really simple pieces of machinery to do that now. It's really just getting organized and then being consistent and creating it and having somebody there to support you and help you as you do it. So obviously you can learn more about that down in the description. And yeah, it really is like getting those things in place, the funnel, the email follow-up. How do you do, what's your daily activities? What's your daily 4 activities to attract people? And then how are you going to create the product? Where are you going to put it? And how are you going to charge for it so people can buy it? And when you got those things dialed in, it makes it so much easier for you to do it, because all of the mystery of like, okay, even if I did have something, what do I do? Well, now you would have that. All right? So I don't know. I would say go check it out. It's definitely worth it. You know, being able to have your own time and make what it is that you want to make and be able to have fun doing what it is that you love to do, helping the type of people you want to help, it's pretty sweet. So, I don't know. Check it out down in the description.